Alright, bro. Well, I appreciate you letting me keep the bike here.
Yeah, it's all good, man.
Yeah.
It's all good. When I heal up, man.
We'll have to ride.
We'll look up again, man.
Let's try not to break ourselves anymore. Excuse me, sir. Can I have the air turned on, please? Thank you. If you guys aren't aware, free air. Just tell them to turn it on. It can't charge you. Let's see what we got here. Oh, okay, now we're good. I can't tell you how good it feels to be back on it. Oh man, it feels so good. So I guess this video will be pretty short, because I really don't have that much to ride. If you guys aren't aware of what exactly happened, I went to go to a track day, and when I was loading my bike up, I accidentally let go of the front brake. Now I know a lot of people may think, well, was it in gear? Yes, it was technically in gear. Well, it wasn't technically, it was in gear. Oh, fuck. Textiles, hard at work over here, bumpy ass highways. Of course, got behind you, that's why you slowed down. I love looking at my reflection. Now I get to see what other people see. I probably still look like a retard. So, continuing on with my story, when I let go of the brake, the bike rolled down. Backwards, not down, it rolled backwards. But it was just enough for the weight to transfer over to my side. The reason why I let go of the front brake was mainly because I was trying to reposition my body and my arm was like fully extended. So I accidentally let go of the brake like an idiot, and the bike rolled back, weight transferred over to my side, and it started tipping, and there was no stopping that weight. My friend tried to help me, he wasn't ready for it, and it came down, crushing my leg between the trailer's wheel well and the bike. Holy shit. But overall, it's not too serious. I'm able to walk on it again. I can't run or do legs at the gym. As far as the bike's fine. It sustained very minimal damage. The undertail, what is it called again? The belly fairing. That fairing is cracked towards the back where it mounts, so I just kind of zip tied it on. It'll hold. But I cannot tell you how excited I am to be back on the bike. God, I'm gonna be deaf. Got to bring my earplugs. Man, I am not looking forward to going back to work on Monday. It's nice having a 4-day weekend, and I accomplished absolutely zero. Let me know what you guys did for 4th of July. I ain't do shit. No, I think we're gonna go to B-dubs. I'm feeling wings tonight. They are singing their heart out. They were singing their heart out. Hey man, you gotta enjoy life. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Man, I had an unproductive weekend this weekend. This holiday weekend. I was supposed to go shooting, and I never actually went shooting. Because I was waking up at like 12 in the afternoon every day. there'll be plenty of time to shoot. I can always shoot next week, but hopefully I can go plinking hopefully next weekend, maybe. I'll try to plan it out a little bit better. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Apologize, it's a little short. I really wasn't riding that much today. I was just grabbing my bike. But regardless, I hope you guys still enjoyed it. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you're not already doing so, please subscribe. As always, make sure you guys head over to my Instagram, show me some love and support there. Make sure you guys do hit that notification bell so you guys are aware when I upload a new video. And with that, I will see you guys on the next one. Later.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time.